Hey everyone, today I have a short but very cool video showing the installation of my new roof deck. With the installation of this roof deck, my roof rack is officially complete. This roof deck will allow me to securely place storage boxes, recreational equipment, or tools outside the van. It also makes for a nice lounge area when you're at the beach or at a campsite and you can be above the crowds. Before we can install the roof deck, we'll need to add 2 additional perpendicular support members to the Flatline Van Company roof rack. I did this using the same L angle and 1/4x20 bolts with the crush washer. Here's what that looks like completely installed. I went ahead and added these adhesive foam pads separated about 12 inches apart just to reduce any of the vibrations and noise.
My way to the stars, want to fly with you, babe. We're going to reach the sky, feel the vibes. Let's start a party. My way to the stars, want to fly with you, babe. We're going to reach the sky, feel the vibes.
The deck itself is made out of 1/4-inch aluminum, and with the supports that we added along with the Flatline Van Company cross members, it does not see any deflection at all. The perimeter of the deck has an upturned edge and serves multiple functions. Not only does it make the deck more rigid, but it also has holes so you can take bungee cables and securely load your storage boxes or tools up here. The edge will also help prevent anything you store up here from sliding off the roof deck. I slotted the attachment points just to give you the additional adjustability should you need it. And it also matches the Flatline Van Company design on the side rails. The dimpled holes provide a little bit more rigidity where the span is much larger. The Max fan cutout works perfectly and looks pretty cool with the black Max fan cover. From the back, the deck blends seamlessly with the Flatline Van Company roof rack. It almost looks like it's supposed to be there. And just like that, we're officially done with our roof deck and our roof rack. This goes to show you how versatile the Flatline Van Company roof rack really is. The last thing we need to do is figure out a place to store our ladder. And pro tip, to keep your ladder from scratching your van, go ahead and just cut some of this pipe insulation and install it on either side of your ladder. I'm going to be mounting my ladder just to the right of my kitchen galley, where it will be partially hidden using these quick hold furniture straps. That's a wrap for this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and all the products are listed in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.